Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10B, and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on your Google account at the top and select the preferred one if you have more than one. When you finished, click on Autofill, then Autofill with Google, and continue in the pop-up. Then select Password section. If you never added a password before, select this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Password option is on. Then log in to one of your apps and hit Save in Save Password to Google pop-up. Then go back to exactly the same settings. If you wish to add your password over here, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Enter your site data or tap on Select App and tap on the preferred one. And then input all of those informations, like username, password, and some helpful notes. When you finished, just hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my passwords were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!